Today on That's Farm, we're going to be changing out this Lexus GX 470's fog lights. The reason we're changing out these fog lights is, surprisingly, my fault. As I recall, it was a rainy day on the farm and it was really muddy, and I was driving this bad boy down to move the chickens. I was going up there. I slid into the gate. And I broke these fog lights, so I had to buy new ones. That was no fun. So the first thing we're gonna do is pop these broken ones out.
Step 1. Remove bolt from fog light.
This is officially my first time doing this, and I don't like it. Damn it. Alright, got that stupid bolt loose. Now I gotta get it out. Let's see. Okay. I know. It's falling apart in my hands.
This took a lot longer than I expected, so I got Grandpa to help me out. He must have some magical car powers or something. Step 2. Take out the plug, which also seemed to be a lot harder than I expected. So Grandpa came to the rescue again. I'm really learning a lot of lessons today.
This is our brand new one. Let's look how shiny it is. Let me get a comparison of it.
Not gonna lie, the new one is definitely an improvement. Step 3. Plug in your new lights. I must be the most worthless person on the farm. After many tries, I finally got it in there.
There we go. We're gonna set it in there and then use our bolt to bolt it back in.
This car stuff is a lot harder than it looks, but I finally got that bolt back in there pretty quickly. If you think 10 minutes is quickly.
Let's get this other one out.
Everything we did to the one side, we had to do to the other side, and that was really hurting my back.
I can't pull it anymore.
The charger's cord was actually shorter on this side than it was on the other side, so it was much harder pulling out that plug. But luckily, Grandpa, the brains of the operation, jimmy-shimmied it out.
Finally, the last one. Maybe I could get it back in all by myself this time.
Ever heard of the phrase false hope? Well, that's what I had. Since the cord was too short, we first had to put the light in and then connect the plug.
This is the worst part. Getting under.
I got the screw put in, but the plug is like the devil, so I had to call Grandpa to handle it for me. And after all that, did our lights work? They did.
Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe so I can make money doing YouTube and not being a mechanic, because as you can see, that is not what I'm gifted in.